Hello there, beautiful people. If you want to know how to restrict products by country in Shopify, or basically restrict specific customers from specific country from accessing or buying a specific product in your Shopify store, that's the exact thing I'm about to show you in this video, and it's very, very easy. Without any more talking, let's get some to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, on the left menu right here, make sure to click on markets menu below the content, and it will show you the markets that you already created in case you did create some. The next thing you're going to do is we need to create a new market. New market specifically for that country where you want those people in that country cannot buy your product. So click on create market. And for my case, let me do a demonstration here example, which is Argentina. Yeah, let's just do Argentina. I want to restrict specific products from customers in Argentina so they cannot access or buy that product. So let me name it Argentina just so I can actually tell what is it. And below there is includes option, which basically you select the country. So in my case, I only want it for Argentina. I only want to restrict Argentina in this market. So I'm going to search for Argentina. Here it is, and click on done. It's selected, and below there is some inherited options in here. As you can see, these are by default the options you have on your Shopify store, but the thing we need is this one right here where it says catalogs. This is exactly what we need. So by default we'll say all products, so people from Argentina have access to all products. This is what we need to change. So we need to restrict some products from be accessed or bought from people from Argentina. So click on the plus button for catalog, this option right here. Click on the plus button and it will show you some catalogs in case you created some. Click on create catalog. But first I think I need to click save. Yeah, I need to save the market first. Make sure to click on save. Then for all products, click on the plus button and click on create catalog. And yeah, by default it will be named Argentina because we're creating catalog for the market Argentina. And there is Argentina. You can add more regions if you want to restrict as well, but in my case only Argentina. And below some options that you might not need, which is the store currency and price adjustments. If you want to include, if you want to offer a specific price for people in Argentina for all products at once based on decrease or increase. But for this video, we are talking about excluding products from people in Argentina. For example, let's just say this one right here, anchor bracelet. So I want this anchor bracelet for man to not be bought or be accessible for people from Argentina. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on save, because if I didn't click on save, it will not show me the option to delete the product from the catalog. So after I click on save, and here it is, a new option will show up to select the product that I want to exclude and want people from Argentina to not buy. Then I will click on this button that says exclude from catalog. So if I excluded the product from catalog, click on exclude. Now the product is not here anymore. It's not in catalog. If I click on excluded tab, I should see it in there. And here it is, as you can see. Now this product is not accessible for people in Argentina. So let's just click on save. It's already saved. Now let's just preview the store and see if that actually works. So here it is. In here, as you can see, anchor bracelet man. This is the product I excluded from Argentina. Now I'm previewing this as United States, region United States. So let me click on United States and let me change it to Argentina. Here it is, Argentina. Now it will reload the page. If I scroll down, it doesn't exist anymore. It was here, now it's gone. So people from Argentina cannot access that specific product, just like you see. But if I changed again to United States, the product should be back again, which is accessible for United States, as you can see. That's very easy, right? If you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.